Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be in Paris. I'm going there together with my family to do some sightseeing and to watch the Paris Marathon. Some of my family members, including my dad, will be running and we're going to see how they will be doing. Enjoy this video. We are on train to Brussels and there we will take the Thalys to Paris and we have the family with us. And my dad and my sister and her boyfriend will join us in Leuven and then we are all together to go to Paris. We made it to the Thalys and we're now on our way to Paris. We will arrive in about 2 hours. Bonjour, Paris.
Bonjour, mon amour.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Paris. We arrived in Paris. We're going to look for our hotel so we can drop our stuff and then we're going to explore the city. Wow! I forgot to vlog when we came in, but here we go. Quick room tour. We have a big mirror, which we love, and then we have the bed, which is full of stuff right now because we're unpacking, and we have a Monster and a Matthias, and Lulu came with us as well, of course, our travel buddy. We have the bathroom, which is an upgrade from our Greece bathrooms. Another mirror, lovely. And oh, what do we have here? Another mirror, and yeah, a lovely shower. No toilet in the shower this time. And that's it. Ready to explore the city. Hello. Tour Eiffel. We are now at the Hotel des Invalides. And we're actually on our way to Musée d'Orsay. That's my favorite museum of all the museums in Paris. Quite late already and we were starving, so we went to like a little supermarket and got ourselves some pain, baguette, and now we're going to have some lunch here right at the Seine. How do we rate that bread?
3
out of? Like really 3 out of 10. It wasn't good. And of course we forgot to buy some drinks again. It's like we never learn. And well, now we're off to Musée d'Orsay for real now. We are now in line for Musée d'Orsay and we're going to look at some paintings from Van Gogh, which is my favorite painter. I always go to Musée d'Orsay when I'm in Paris because I really love it and I'm very happy now. Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Crêpe.
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 I thought you wanted to drink something. Is crêpe the only thing you can say in French?
Non, baguette. Croissant. Does it taste like crap?
How is it? C'est bon? And tour guides, where are we?
Montmartre.
And what is the church?
The Champs-Élysées.
So, we are at Montmartre and we're going to the Sacré-Cœur right now, and we have to do a lot of stairs. We made it to the top of Montmartre. It's like so crowded today. It's a Saturday, so people are not working, and it's like a very beautiful day. It's so sunny, so everyone was sunbathing and chilling over there. And now we're off to Place du Tertre. That's a little place where there are a lot of painters, which is so cozy and one of my favorite places of Paris. Tell me, where are we now?
Place de la Concorde.
Woo! Oh, Champs-Élysées! We are on our way to a restaurant. We are meeting up with everyone, so everyone went to visit Paris a bit by themselves or like in little groups, and now we're all together to eat in an Italian restaurant. And look how nice this view is. It's like super close to the Eiffel Tower.
Te donker, te licht, te hoog.
Schmecklich. Bon appetito.
Ja, hè? Heerlijk.
And wow, so pretty. Late night snack.
Ja, wel duur.
Lien is not running the marathon, but she has like a lot of pain on her Achilles tendon, and now I'm going to loosen up her calves, so it will get better hopefully. We're going to end our night here. We are a bit tired. We're going for breakfast tomorrow at 7:30. And then we are going to watch the marathon because my dad, the boyfriend of my niece, and the niece of my father, and a friend of hers also are running the marathon. Bye bye! Good morning! It's 7:30 and I just woke up and we're about to have breakfast, and afterwards we're going to get dressed and get showered, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. Ready?
Yes. I hope so.
We are at the Champs-Élysées. That is ready for the marathon. Just a quick stop at the toilets and then you can go to the start. We were at the 20 kilometers point and now we're going to the 34 kilometers, so we're going to take the metro because it's quite a distance. Dat je weer even moet. We got separated from the rest of our family because we ran the last 7 kilometers minus like 2 kilometers. Seven so kilometers we did, and then we got separated from our family because we were like on the other side of like all the fences, and now we are walking to Arc de Triomphe, Cartier, to the Cartier store at the Champs-Élysées. Without money because we don't have anything, we only have our phones, and we are no, I'm hungry, and there are like so many angry. There are like so many foods tents, and it all smells so delicious, but we can't buy anything, so we're a bit sad. But yeah, okay. We are on our way back to the hotel. The marathon is finished. Everyone did very well, and now we're going to freshen up a bit, and then we're going out for dinner. We are ready for dinner.
Papa, je ogen open. Lachen.
We had dinner and now we're back in the metro. It's like 9:30 and we're going to see the Notre Dame. Then we're going to Hotel de Ville, the Louvre and Trocadero by night, which is so beautiful.
Left to the left.
Hi travel guide, where are we now?
We're at Our Lady.
Notre Dame de Paris.
Our Lady can get a little heated sometimes.
This is why she is a heating lady. We are at Hotel de Ville.
But is it a hotel?
It's not. It's the Stadshuis.
City house.
City house. The city hall.
The
City hall. Wow.
Wow.
We just went to see the Louvre and now we are on our way back to the metro because we're going to our last sightseeing stop for today, which will be Trocadero. And what is Trocadero?
Spanish.
He has no idea. It will be a surprise. Matthias is not allowed to look at the signs because it's going to be a surprise where we are going. Don't look at the signs. Be careful. He will not be surprised because he has seen it already, but okay. Look at the ground. Keep looking at the ground. Don't look up to the ground. I have my eyes on you. This is it.
The horsey.
And do you remember? It's very special.
That's why.
We're going to go a bit further to the horse because it's a beautiful horse.
It's a beautiful horse.
So pretty. But look over there.
Oh, yeah. Oui. Sandwich.
We are here at the beautiful Eiffel Tower and the only thing you can see is that sandwich truck. Why? What the fuck? So pretty. Panini with a view. So beautiful and so cool. Good morning! It's a new day and it's our last day in Paris. We're now off to have some breakfast with the ones who are left, like my dad and both my sisters are gone already. Yeah, and that's it. We are ready to check out of the hotel and then we're going to Place Vendôme because Matthias wants to go to the Gucci store and to Louis Vuitton. I'm not going to buy shit because I'm not rich. We are at Place Vendôme. We are going to enter Louis Vuitton first. It's my first time in the Louis Vuitton store. We're here. Off to the Gucci store. Tell me, what did you buy?
I bought a belt which has two sides, so I basically bought two belts for the price of one. And one shirt. And I'm broke now.
Was it worth it?
Yes.
They asked me if I wanted to buy anything and I was like, no. We are now at Place La Concorde and we're going to take the metro to La Défense. Then we're going back to the Gucci store to pick up some stuff, your bag. We are at Chipotle at La Défense. We're going to eat a bit. We went to do some shopping. I didn't record anything, but yeah. How is that tortilla on the side working out for you?
It's lovely. It's unopenable.
Maybe you just have to open it a bit like a bag and then you can just put stuff in it.
No, I want a real.
Now good luck. That turned out quite well. Mine not so well, but we're going to make the best of it. Are you okay?
Dying and crying on the inside.
Why?
And on the outside.
Your face is a bit red.
It's a little spicy.
Crying.
I'm going to need an ice cream.
We are at the Champs-Élysées.
What is going on here?
Are you happy? So comfy.
Your life complete now?
Yeah. I just need a cushion.
A cushion.
I feel like I'm at the hairdresser's.
How is the water?
Oh, so nice. So calming, you know.
Ice cream.
Thank you. Hoeveel euro's?
9. 9.
We are on our way back to Gare du Nord. We packed up our bags and we will have our train in like 15 minutes. Let's pray we have time to buy some snacks. We made it on time and we had some time to buy ourselves some baguettes, of course, with chicken. Eat them while we're on our way back to Brussels. In Brussels we have to change trains. We just arrived in Brussels. It's cold.
It's cold.
We have our train in 10 minutes and then we will be on the train for a little over an hour. It will be quite late and we have to work tomorrow. And that sucks. But okay, our train is arriving. We are home. We had a lot of fun this trip, but we are like super tired. That last walk from the train station from the train station to the house was so exhausting.
And now she is angry. Just tired, angry.
Okay, I'm going to say bye bye now.
Bye bye.
That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I did enjoy my trip to Paris. If you liked this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you all again very soon.